Welcome to Miniatures by Princess. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble the Miniatures by Princess Adirondack Stool Kit. Let's get started. First, you're going to take these rectangular pieces and put glue on the edges and adhere those to the grooves in the feet of the stool. This can take some time waiting for the glue to cure, and you do need to hold it a little bit so that eventually it will be perfectly square. Do the same for the other side, and once you get that one done, actually I flipped it over, and once you flip it over, square it up on your grid mat or on a piece of grid paper and put that one on. The next thing you're going to do is put glue in between those slats on the legs of the stool. And this is where you're going to glue the slats for the stool where your feet would go. Sometimes you need a pair of tweezers to make this happen. That's okay. Tools are good. And just try to get them as evenly spaced as possible. You'll only use 5. If you want more space in between, only use 4. Just perfectly space them. Take your time. You got plenty of working time with the glue, and I am using wood glue from Gorilla, my favorite wood glue. The reason I use wood glue is because it doesn't take on moisture the way tacky glue does and make your miniatures fall apart. And then once that's all done, we'll put the trim on the sides and you'll be all done. Follow me on all of your socials for more tutorials like this.